Academic hypothesis evaluation, Mother Nature built by humanity's creations for our solar system. Nurturation. Introduction. The hypothesis under consideration, Mother Nature built by humanity's creations for our solar system. Nurturation, suggests that human-made technologies and advancements are shaping or enhancing the natural processes of the solar system in a nurturing manner. This can be interpreted as humanity contributing to the solar system's habitability, protection, and potential for supporting life through its creations. To evaluate this hypothesis academically, we will define key terms, propose a testable framework, and assess evidence that either supports or refutes it. Here, Mother Nature is understood as the natural systems and processes of the solar system, while nurturation implies actions that enhance, protect, or promote life within it. The purpose of this evaluation is to determine whether there are proofs or credible examples of human activities fulfilling this nurturing role. Hypothesis refinement. To proceed academically, let us refine the hypothesis into a clear, testable statement. Refined hypothesis. Through intentional scientific and technological efforts, humanity is developing the capability to nurture the solar system by enhancing its habitability, protecting it from existential threats, and promoting the expansion of life beyond Earth. This refinement focuses on three measurable aspects of nurturation: enhancing habitability, making parts of the solar system suitable for life; protecting from threats, safeguarding the solar system from natural hazards; promoting life's expansion, extending the presence of life within or beyond the solar system. We will now evaluate this hypothesis by examining evidence from scientific research, technological developments, and ethical considerations, while also addressing potential counterpoints. Discussion. 1. Scientific advancements and understanding. Human scientific efforts, particularly in astrobiology and planetary science, provide a foundation for nurturing the solar system. Research into Earth's ecosystems informs our understanding of how life might be supported on other planets or moons. For example, studies of terrestrial extremophiles, organisms thriving in harsh conditions, guide the search for life on Mars or Europa. The Astrobiology Primar, a comprehensive resource in the field, highlights how such knowledge enhances our ability to identify and potentially cultivate life-friendly environments elsewhere in the solar system. This intellectual nurturance is a critical first step, enabling humanity to plan physical interventions that could make the solar system more habitable. 2. Technological innovations and practical efforts. Humanity's technological creations offer tangible ways to nurture the solar system. Consider the following examples: space exploration and colonization, proposals for terraforming Mars or establishing sustainable colonies on the Moon aim to extend habitable zones beyond Earth. While still in early stages, these efforts demonstrate potential to enhance the solar system's capacity to support life. Asteroid detection and deflection. Programs like NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office track near-Earth objects and develop strategies to deflect hazardous asteroids, protecting the solar system, and Earth specifically, from catastrophic impacts. Conceptual innovations. The nurturing disk hypothesis, though speculative, envisions transforming the asteroid belt into a structured environment for resources or habitation, directly illustrating how human creations could nurture the solar system. Additionally, biomimicry, designing technologies inspired by natural processes, suggests a harmonious approach to innovation. For instance, solar panels modeled after photosynthesis could power sustainable space habitats, aligning human creations with natural principles. 3. Ethical frameworks and humanity's role. ethical and philosophical perspectives further support the hypothesis. The Fermi paradox, which questions why we have not encountered other intelligent life, and the rare Earth hypothesis, which posits that complex life may be rare, suggest that humanity might have a unique role in the cosmos. If Earth is an anomaly, our responsibility to nurture the solar system, perhaps by spreading life, gains significance. Moreover, the concept of relational values, emphasizing meaningful connections between humans and nature, extends to our cosmic environment. These frameworks position human creations as tools for fulfilling a moral duty to enhance and protect the solar system. 4. Cautionary notes and counter-arguments. While the evidence above supports the hypothesis, there are notable caveats. Potential for harm. Human activities can also disrupt natural systems. Climate change on Earth, driven by technological overuse, demonstrates how creations can have unintended negative consequences. Extending such impacts to space could undermine nurturance efforts. Speculative nature. Many examples, like terraforming or the nurturing disk, remain theoretical, lacking concrete proof of effectiveness. Self-destructive risks. The MDO hypothesis argues that life can be inherently destructive, suggesting that human interventions might inadvertently harm the solar system rather than nurture it. These points indicate that nurturance is not automatic. It requires intentionality and careful management to ensure positive outcomes. Evaluation of proofs. Let us assess the strength of the evidence for each component of the hypothesis. Enhancing habitability. Proof. Research into Mars terraforming and lunar bases exists, supported by scientific studies and NASA missions. Strength. Moderate. Plans are underway, but full implementation is decades away. Protecting from threats. Proof. Asteroid tracking and deflection technologies are operational. Strength. Strong, demonstrable results exist, directly protecting the solar system. Promoting life's expansion. Proof. Robotic missions and proposals for interstellar probes expand humanity's reach, while panspermia concepts explore seeding life elsewhere. Strength. Moderate. Missions are successful, but life expansion remains hypothetical. Counter-evidence. Environmental degradation and speculative timelines weaken the hypothesis, suggesting that human creations are not yet consistently nurturing. Conclusion. The hypothesis that Mother Nature is built by humanity's creations for our solar system nurturation is partially supported by academic evidence. Scientific advancements provide the knowledge base, technological efforts offer practical tools, and ethical frameworks underscore humanity's potential role in enhancing, protecting, and expanding life within the solar system. Proofs such as asteroid deflection programs and exploratory missions lend credibility to this idea. However, the potential for harm, the speculative nature of some initiatives, and the need for intentional stewardship temper this support. Humanity's creations have the capacity to nurture the solar system, but realizing this potential requires deliberate, ethical, and sustainable action. Thus, while the hypothesis holds promise, its full validation awaits further progress and proof of consistent positive impact.